bananas, coconut, almonds, hazelnuts, white chocolate, and dark chocolate.
First, peel the bananas and then chop them into half. Into the bananas, and then take it to the refrigerator till hard enough and help the chocolate stick on better. Now let's crush up the hazelnuts. And melt the chocolate. This is the place where you can choose what you prefer. You can melt the chocolate on a stove, or you can melt them in a microwave. The chocolate and add the toppings.
You can dip it in white chocolate or black chocolate and then drizzle. Here and right over there.
These are very good.
And that's what it says. It adds a good touch of happy feeling. It's so good. I like it. Perfect treat.